This is a digital SAT math question. This question is like practice test 7, digital SAT practice test 7, module 2 hard question 20. And it gives these two equations, and it says for each real number r, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given system? Now again, this is like question 20, module 2 hard on practice test 7. It is not exactly the same question. College Board shows the way to answer this with math. I've made a worksheet and it shows a different way to answer it with math, but I'm going to show in this video how to answer it with Desmos, how to find the answer with Desmos. First, notice that these two equations are really the same line. The second one is 4 times the first. 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 3 is 12, so 12y, 4 times 6 is 24. So it's one line. Whatever answer choice is correct, that point has to lie on the line no matter what the value of r is. So I'm going to just put one of these. I think it's x plus 3y equals 6. I say I think because I've already forgotten it. So I've got that. Now I just have to type the answer choices and see which one is correct. 6 plus r, comma r. And then I put a closed parenthesis so it makes it a point. And notice it is not the correct answer. Now you can label them if you want. I like to label them, so that's A. A is not correct. Because it is correct, I think, in one place, right there. When r is 0, it works. But it's got to be correct for all. It says, which of the following lies in graph of each equation for each real number r. So for every real number, and it's not. It's only for one real number. All right, B, r minus 6 over 3. R, comma, r minus 6 divided by 3. And then I put the closed parenthesis. I label it point B. Hold on, point B. And notice that one is also, it's on the line for one value. What is it? It looks like about 6, but it's not for any other value. Okay, so it's got to be for all values. And 6 minus 3r over 4r. 6 minus 3r divided by 4, comma r. I'm just putting these in as points, and I'll label this C. That one doesn't work for all values. I move it around, so if I was here, where it is, what is that at? Well, I don't know if it's exact, but anyway, it looks like it might be. So I might say negative 0.075, and if I say that, I'd be wrong because I have to slide it and see it's not for all real values of r. So the answer is D. I will just verify it. R, comma, what is this? 6 minus r over 3. 6 minus r divided by 3. I put the closed parenthesis. I'm just going to label this D just for completeness. And notice, no matter what value I make r, I can even increase this slider and I can make it from negative 100 to 100. I can make it for all those values and even make more. And you see that D is always on that line. So the answer to this one is D. That's how you solve questions like Practice Test 7, Math Module 2 Hard, question number 20. It almost looks like a 26, excuse me. It's 20. Okay, so that's how you do it. If you want to see it again, rewind. Be kind, rewind, and watch it again.